Hey guys, it's Amanda. Today I'm going to walk you through how to make a story box. It's one way to make these online read alouds more literacy rich and a little more accessible for some of our guys. And they're easy because you can use some of the stuff that you already have in your house. So for the example today, I'm going to read a myth from Myths and Legends. It is Prometheus and Pandora, which is essentially Pandora's box. So just to summarize Pandora's box, it is how man was created according to Greek mythology and how animals came to be on the planet and how bad things ended up on planet Earth. What I'm going to try to do is put summaries of each story in the description of the YouTube video so that you have a pre-made summary to help guide you as you make a story box. If you don't have a box, totally okay. I have used a bag. In my bag, I have a little animal. I have a little guy. I have some sand. And I have a box. Story boxes work best when you can collect some of these items with your son or daughter, but if that's not a reality for you, you can pick some things that you know they might like or that they can use independently while reading or listening to this story. You can have the objects out in front of them, or if you're with your student while the story is being read, you can hand the objects to them as the story progresses. So in the example we're using today, Prometheus and Pandora, it begins during the war between Zeus and the Titans. Two Titans fought on Zeus's side, Prometheus and his brother. So that's where my little guy comes in. When Zeus became lord of Mount Olympus, he asked Prometheus to make some mortal beings. So Prometheus took some clay from the earth and shaped it into people. So you can use sand, which is what I did in replace of clay, and then you can use the little guy again if you want. Mother Earth had given Prometheus a basket filled with gifts to be given to human beings, and to the animals she herself had created. So this is where your little animal guys can come in. Epimetheus begged to be allowed to give out some of the gifts, and Prometheus knew his brother was foolish, but he agreed. Epimetheus immediately began giving gifts to the animals, strength and sheath, swiftness and courage. He gave them wings and claws and hard shells for protection. Soon there was almost nothing left in the basket for the human beings they had created. So Prometheus decided to give them something very special. With the help of the goddess Athena, he went up to the sun and he brought down fire for mankind. At this point, I wouldn't recommend using fire, but maybe a flashlight would be good. When Zeus had discovered what Prometheus had done, he was enraged. He decided to punish the Titan by causing trouble for humanity. He created a woman named Pandora and asked each of the gods to give her a gift. Aphrodite gave her beauty, Hermes gave her a quick wit, and so on. Zeus presented the woman to Epimetheus. He knew that Prometheus would be too clever to accept such a gift. In his house, Prometheus had a jar in which all kinds of horrible things were stored: illness, wickedness, and poverty, misery, and cruelty. At this point, I have a box instead of a jar, but whatever you're using, you can present it now. He told Pandora that she must never open the jar. Of course, that only made her curious. And one day she went to have a look. Instantly, the horrible things flew out of the jar. Pandora quickly put the lid back on, but it was too late. The horrors were already scattered over the earth. Only one thing was left: hope, which has helped people endure the rest ever since. So I hope this was helpful in maybe how to create story boxes or bags or bins or whatever you have. This can be done with stories you have at home. So if your son or daughter has a favorite story, You can definitely do this on your own. Good luck, and I hope to see you soon.